Hello everyone. How are you? I hope you all are fine at your home. Stay home only, stay safe, but don't skip your study. Stay connected with us, with Omkar English Medium School and with Joshi's Online Study Hub. I, Tushar Joshi, heartily welcome all of you behalf of Omkar English Medium School. Today, I am going to explain something which is very much useful. It is not see here to you can see I haven't written here the standard. I haven't mentioned so because it is not specially for 9th standard or for 10th standard or for 8th standard. This is useful for all. This is the divisibility, the rule of divisions. You can say keys of division. Then this key you must know. So many students generally ask me, sir, how you perform the division, how you calculate this, how we can know that this number is divisible by this number or not. Huh? So this divisor, the concept of p of x, that all we learn today. Okay, p of x, q of x, r of x, as well as g of x, that all in 10th standard I have already explained. Okay, but if this is the 9th standard some students are seeing, then I will just explain some basic rules of divisibility which will be useful for lifetime for everyone. Then now I'm going to start. If you haven't subscribed this channel, then don't forget to subscribe so that all videos notification you people can get quickly. Then now I will start from 1 to 11. Okay, so 1, actually 1 I should not write because you all know 1 is divisible. Every number is divisible by 1. Okay, so I will write here. Okay, every number is, okay, every number are divisible by 1. Okay, means you can say one more thing also. You can write, well, if question is twist, then they can ask in this format that 1 is factor of, 1 is factor of any number. Okay, 1 is factor of any number. Means any number if you take, then 1 is the factor of that number. Either that is positive, negative, whatever it is, 1 is the factor of that number. But now if you go towards the 2, okay, then one thing I will write, 2 is the smallest prime number. Generally because students consider that 3 is the smallest prime number, huh? Because that is odd na. So 3 is not the smallest prime number, 2 is the smallest prime number. Okay, so that is just for your information only. Actually this is not part of this lecture, but generally this kind of questions examiner ask in up to 8 or up to ninth standard level. Okay, so that I have just mentioned you. And in competitive exam also, also if a small exam is there up to class 3 or 4, so this type of questions generally ask. Now division by 2. So if any number, okay, if any number, okay, if any numbers unit digit is even. Okay, unit digit is even, then that number is divisible by, then that number is divisible by 2. For example, 0 can be there, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Okay, these all are even number. So if any numbers unit digit is either 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, then you can easily divide by 2. That number divide by 2. Next is third. Okay, means 3. Then now if sum of all number is divisible by 3. Okay, if sum of all number is divisible by 3, then that full number is divisible by 3. For example, let me show you. If I write 1 2 3, okay, then you see 3 plus 2 plus 1, 5 plus 1 6, 6 is divisible by 3. Yes, 3 twos are, so that we can say 3, this number is divisible by 3. How we can perform? Okay, then as you all know, 3 fours are and 3 ones are. Okay, so 41 threes are 123. Let me take some more number now. 1 2 3 and 4. Then now total is 10. 10 is divisible by 3? No, 10 is not divisible by 3. So that we cannot divide this number by 3. Okay. Now one more example. If now 1 2 3 4 5, okay, then 9 and 6, okay, 15. 15 is divisible by 3. Yes, 3 5s are. Then this full number is divisible by 3. Okay, so like that only. Now 4. If last two digit is divisible by 3. Okay, in the key of 4 is if last two digit, if last two digit, if last two digit is divisible by 3, by 4, then full number is divisible by 4. For example, if I write 164, now see, it doesn't matter that 100 plus 1000 plus 10,000 plus which number is, that doesn't matter. We should see just last two number means actually this is actually first two number in terms of mathematics, but in our traditional use we generally say it last two number, because a number starts from right side in mathematics. In mathematics, in a language, okay, number starts from left side. Okay, for example, E is the first place, V is the, here you have to see here, E is the first place, V is the second place, E is the third, R is the fourth, and Y is the fifth. But in number starts from right. Okay, 4 is the first place, 6 is the second place, 1 is the third place, like that only. So here 164 is divisible by 4. Why? Because last two digits 64 is divisible by 4. Okay, then what will come for forza and for oneza? Then now 41 forza, 41 forza 164. Now as I said that it doesn't matter how much long number is. So if I write 1 6 4 5 3 2 2 0, see how much long number this is. Okay, 2 4 6 8 number, 8 digit number. This is such a long number, a very big long, very big number. This kind of long number generally will not come in your exam, and in your practical life also this type of long number will not come. But this is just for example. I just want to show you that it doesn't matter how much long number is there. Then here last two digits, because we have to just focus. Okay, then that is 20, and 20 is divisible by 4, as you all know. Okay, then yes, 1 6 4 5 3 2 and again 2 0 is clearly divisible by 4. Actually you don't have to divide, but then also if you divide, okay, if you will divide, then you will get the answer for 1. This is for 1, again 1 3 3 0 5. Okay, this is actually I have done orally, but you have to do yourself your traditional method. Okay, if your mental power will become so high, then you people will also divide such a kind of this number orally. Okay, now this is the key of fourth, and now we'll go towards the five. Five is, as you all know, okay, five, as you all know, unit digit either 0 or 5, then that number is divisible by 5. So in this I will not take such a long time. I will go towards the question number, means the number of 6. 6 means which number is divisible by 3 and 2. Why? Because 6 is 3 twos are. Okay, which number is divisible by 3 and 2. 3 and 2 both. So that number we can divide by 6 also. Okay. So for example, let me write here 246 and one more. Okay, 2463. Okay, now see, I have written this number just orally, yeah, like it was scam in my mind, and I have just write down. There is no logic. I haven't think about it, what to write and what not to write. So now we'll check, is it divisible by 4 or not. Then now, see here, 10 plus 3, 13 plus 2, 15, and clearly unit digit is 3, so it is not divisible by 2. So I will write down here 2. Okay, now see, 10, 13, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. So again it is 17, not divisible by 2. So what I will write here, I will add 1. 1 to 4, 6, 3, 2. Okay, now here see 10, okay, and 5, 15, 3, 18. Now 18 is divisible by 3 also, and here unit digit is 2, so it is divisible by 2 also. So you people can divide this number by 6 also. So 1, 2, 4, 6, 3, 2. If you will divide by 6, so actually you don't have to perform, just I'm going to show you. Okay, if you will divide by 6, then you will get 20,772. Okay, this kind of number you will get. The thing is, what we have to just see 3 and 2. Okay, that means that should be divisible by 3 and 2. Now 7. See, seven's key is not that much useful, so that actually you people don't have to remember the key of 7. Now you will ask me, sir, why we should not remember? Because that is very very much boring and lengthy also. So that is my free advice, that if you perform the key, if you apply the key, the betterness is there. Instead of to apply this key, instead to apply this logic, you should directly divide by 7, whether decimal point will come or will not come. So you will directly know it is divisible by 7 or not. Okay, uh, so let me show you, for example, why I'm saying this like this. So for example, the same number, if I will take, okay, 1, 2, 4, 6, 3, 2. Then here actually you have to cancel out unit digit. Huh? Actually remember, see again what I'm saying. You have to cancel out unit digit, and which thing you have cancel out, it's 5 times that number you have to add. For example, I have cancel out 2, so it's 5 times. 2's 5 times is 10. So 10 I have to add, and I have to finally calculate 3 again, 7, 4, 2, 1. Now we have to check, is this number is divisible by 7? No. Here see, we cannot say, still we cannot say this is divisible by 7 or not, huh? Because the number is such a long. Just from seeing the number, we can not analyze that it is divisible by 7 or not, huh? So now again the same rule will apply. 3 is cancel, it's 5 time number, will add 3 5s are 15. Okay, and now 12, 1, 6, 2, 1. Now can you say no? We cannot say still. Then again 2, then 2 is 5 times, 10, 6, 3, 1. Still can you say? No. 6 is again cancel. 6 5 times, 30. Now here 3, 4. 43. Is 43 divisible by 7? No, 43 is not divisible by 7. So now that is final that this number is not divisible by 7. But wait. How much time we have wasted behind that? હા આવું કરવું એના કરતા તો પછી 7 થી ડિવાઈડ કરી નાખવું સારું ને. ખબર પડી જાત આપણને કે છે કે નહીં, આનાથી તો એટલીસ્ટ ઓછો ટાઈમ જાત, બરાબર ને. સો ધેટ I always say that the seventh key is not that much useful. Okay, now key of 8. Okay, 8. Then 8 is which numbers? Which numbers? Last three digit. Last three digit means traditionally last, huh? Mathematically first three digit. So that I'm writing here. Unit last three digit means which three? Unit, tens, and hundreds. 100 digit is divisible by 8 if, huh? Is divisible by 8, then that full number, okay, then that full number is divisible by 8. For example, uh, 1 2 3 4, and now let me write 464. 1 minute, let me try. Yes, 464. This is such a big number. So now we have to just see this last three digit. Is it divisible by it? Yes. Then this full number. Okay. 1 2 1 2 3 4 6 8 is divisible by 8. How I have done this? Last three numbers I have checked. 464, 464, 464. Okay, this is divisible by 8. So that now if you divide by 8, so now here 15433 will come. So we can say yes, this is divisible by 8. Okay, it was the one rule, but I have one more clue. Okay, how? If any number's last three digit is 0, if any number's last three digit is 0, means last three digits are 0, then that number is divisible by 8. For example, 1000, 2000, 3000, 15,000, 1 lakh 18,000. Okay, means last three digits should be 0. Okay, last three digits are 0, then that is divisible by 8. Okay, it doesn't matter. Minimum three zero should be here. 40 can be there, 50 can be there, 60 can be there. Doesn't matter. Minimum three zero should be here. If three zeros are there, so that number is divisible by 8. Okay, 9. If any number, this is like 3 only. Okay, if any numbers sum, okay, that number sum you have to write. Sum is divisible by 3. Okay, sorry, divisible by 9, then that full number is divisible by 9. For example, here 3 4 5 9. Okay, and 1 6 also, let me write. Okay, 5 plus 4 9, 9 2 is 18, 3 is 27. So 27 is divisible by 9. Yes, 9 3 is so that this full number is divisible by 9. This full number this full number is divisible by 9. So if I write 3, 4, 5, 9, 6 divided by 9. So you will get, if you will divide, so you will get 3, 8, 4, yes, 3844. Okay, so this is divisible by 9. So finally you have to just see the total is divisible by 9, yes, then it is divisible by 9. Now tens key, you all know, minimum 10 should be there. So this thing I will not write, okay, I will not mention. I will go towards the directly 11, because uh, I'm trying that the video should be shortest and sweetest, so that a huge time you also don't have to give behind a single video, and you can perform, you can do, you can complete your another task. Okay, and you can do such a practice on such kind of questions. Now some questions you have to make yourself for this lecture. Means tens 8 division, some question you have to write, means some number you have to make yourself, and you have to try, you have to see this video again and again if you forget. Okay, and you have to see how much practice you people can do on this thing. So that will make you that much perfect. If you want to get such a good grip on this division thing, divisional keys, then you should see this video again and again. And the main thing, you have to solve so many questions, means so many numbers you have to make, you have to write, you have to, the main thing you have to calculate. Okay, the last but not the least for us, because within a few minutes I'm going to end this lecture. Okay, then now for 11, what we people can write. Now here actually the even digit and odd digit you have to add. Means even digit means if I write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, then I will not specify unit and 10 and that all thing I will not specify. I will just say 1, 3, 5, 7. This you have to add. So 7 plus 5, 12, plus 3, 15, plus 1, 16, 16. Now downside. Okay. 6 plus 4, 10. Okay. 6 plus 4, 10, plus 2. If any remain, no. 6 plus 4, 10, plus 2, 12. So minus 12. Uh, from the bigger number, you have to deduct the smaller number. This you must have to remember. From the bigger number, you have to deduct, you have to remove the smaller number. So 6 minus 12, this is 4. But this must be either 0 or 11. If that is 0 or 11, then this number is divisible by 11. If this subtraction is either 0 or 11, here see this is 4, so this number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is not divisible by 11. But if such kind of number, that number you can make yourself, that is not a big deal. Okay, so if that is 0 or 11, then that number is divisible by 11. So this is the rules of division. These are the rules of division, and I have tried to explain my best way. And I hope you all understood what I just wanted to explain you. And now, still, if you have question, then in comment box you can write. Otherwise, in description box, my number and applications link is also given. So application also you can download, and such a good videos are there in application. And still, if you haven't subscribed this channel, then subscribe right now, so that my all videos notification you can get quickly. And don't forget to share with your friends. Still, if you have doubt, then you can call me, you can WhatsApp me, or any kind of social media you can use to connect with me. Feel free to connect with me. Thank you, and stay connected with me, tune with us, connect with us. Thank you. Bye bye.